Atumia ya Ambunge maikitie ritana riri kuri thirikari ya Kenya kurumirira iherithia riria namba nene ya akenya makoragwo makigerera riria mathie kuruta wira mabururi-ini ma Arabu. Mahoete thirikari kurugamia mihango ya akenya aria mathiaga mabururi-ini macio kuruta mawira ma nyumba nginyagia riria mabururi macio marikinyaniria mitaratara mikinyaniru igimaine na aruti a wira.
It may not be worthwhile that you come out of Kenya healthy, walk into the airport, taking a flight, only to be returned back in a coffin.
To seek for medical attention, nor allowed to leave the country since their passports have been confiscated by the so-called agents officials. A case was witnessed in a few months when online photos of a Kenyan lady who was ill-treated and molested while working in Saudi Arabia went viral.
Hamwe noguo Ambunge aya mahoete thirikari ya Kenya kurekereria namba ya andu aria othe marutaga mawira ma nyumba bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia niguo meikarire na mirutire yao ya wira ikorwe kimurikwo uria itarie.
If it is a prison, then it should be stated that they are under detention and they are restrained from maybe holding their phones or their documentation. So at a very first opportunity, their documentation must be returned to them.
Maya meyumiritie riri nayo family mwena wa Subukia kaunti-ini ya Naikuru makinyeirwo ni ndeto ciegie gikuo kia mwana wao uria wirikanite gukwira bururi wa Saudi Arabia ari mihango-ini ya wira uria thiete mweri wa gatano mwaka muhituku.
Mahali alikuwa nafanya walimwambia watamuua juu remote ya TV imepotea. So mtoto akaona hawezi gojea kifo hapo, akaenda kutafuta njia zingine. Na ndio mtoto wetu alienda zimu ikasimika mpaka wakati tumejua mtoto ameenda.
Kuringana na family ya Margaret Ruguru makoretwo matekuhota kwaraniria na mwari na njira ya thimu, riu makiuria thirikari kuingirira ndeto eno na kwenjera uma wa kiria kiracungiriirie gikuo kia mwana wao ona gutuika matariirie uria arakoretwo akirutirwo mikana ni mumwandiki.
Hii ripoti ya kwanza ilikuwa imesema ati alifariki mwezi wa 8 tarehe 22. Na ripoti ya pili kasema tena alikufa miezi 4 nyuma sasa ya mwezi wa 10.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.